Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Oracle. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy sales strategies with Oracle, start by logging into your Oracle account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can access various modules. Select the sales module from the menu options. Familiarize yourself with the key features available in this module. Go to the strategy section to outline your sales objectives. Identify your target audience by utilizing Oracle's customer segmentation tools. Once you have defined your audience, create a customized sales strategy that aligns with your organization's goals. Utilize Oracle's data analytics tools to analyze historical sales data and forecast future trends. Set measurable key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track the effectiveness of your strategy. Develop a timeline for implementation, ensuring all team members are aware of their responsibilities. Train your sales team on the new strategy using Oracle's training resources and documentation. Leverage Oracle's CRM system to manage customer interactions and track progress. Next, monitor the ongoing performance of the sales strategy by reviewing the KPIs regularly. Use Oracle's reporting features to generate insights and assess the effectiveness of your strategy. Be prepared to make adjustments based on the performance data you collect. Collaborate with your team to discuss any necessary changes to optimize your sales approach. Finally, document your findings and outcomes to inform future strategy development. Implement a feedback loop to continuously improve your sales strategies using Oracle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.